Does cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? You've probably heard the old myth, cracking your knuckles will give you arthritis. But is there any truth to that? Not really. When you crack your knuckles, what's actually happening is gas bubbles in the fluid around your joints are popping. This makes that familiar pop sound. Studies have found no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. However, habitual knuckle cracking could lead to some mild swelling or reduced grip strength over time. So, while it's not dangerous for your joints in the long term, it might annoy people around you. Interestingly, some people crack their knuckles as a way to relieve tension, so next time someone tells you to stop, you can confidently say it's harmless. That said, if you feel pain or discomfort when cracking, you should see a doctor. So, the myth is busted, but be kind to your hands. Wild, right?